My daughter asked me to install these replacement buttons there on her Mercedes. These right here go on the steering wheel. So I'm gonna pull it out and let you see what it looks like. You know, my daughter get everything off Amazon. I didn't think it would work, but I was surprised. And this one right here goes on your windows, you know, on the door. So you just peel and stick. But what you need to do is do this right. You want to get some alcohol pads or some Windex and clean this area really good. So I'm going to show you what it looks like here on my daughter's Mercedes. This is a C250. It's a 2015 coupe. So I'm going to show you what this steering wheel looks like. This is the before. And it was peeling. It was looking pretty bad. So I say, okay, I'm going to take my time and fix it up for her. And it was really simple to do. The hardest part of it all was this part right here. If you got fingernails, you can get it really good, or just take a little small screwdriver or whatever and just move this stuff off, and it peels off. And you might get lucky and just peel, it may peel right off. But I had a little time. I had to scrape a little bit, but I didn't do it. I just took my time on it. It took me about 30 minutes to do this part right here. So I won't waste your time showing you how I took all of that off. We're just gonna go and show you the aftermath of when I took it all off. As you can see, I got it all taken off, and once I took it all off, I got this alcohol pad and I wiped it clean, or you can use some Windex. But once you wipe it all clean, make sure you let it dry. It don't take long to dry, maybe 5-10 minutes. Then you take your little pieces and they fit in order, like the plus at the top, the negative at the bottom. As you can see, I'm gonna take this plus. I'm gonna just show you how it fits on there. It fits perfectly. It was amazing. This come off Amazon. It fits perfectly for this particular car. So the first thing you have to do, once everything's dry and clean, you just peel off that little white piece. And once you pull that off, it sticks right into place. So you can do this with all your buttons. I think this came with like a, what's that, 2, 4, 6, maybe a total of 12 buttons. 6 on this side, 6 on that side. But this is the aftermath. Look at it. This is amazing. I was surprised for the price you paid for these. I think it was maybe $25, $30 at the time I'm making this video. I don't know. It may go up or down. But I'm going to show you the before and after close-up views. Look at that. That's the before and after. I'm going to zoom in. This is the before and after. This is amazing. Alright, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.